Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and insights on the latest products. Today, we're diving into the world of nail care with a special focus on the Essie Total Nail Care Set. If you've been struggling with peeling nails or just want to strengthen and beautify your nails, you're in the right place. Let's jump right into it. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty details, let's talk about why this product stands out. The Essie Total Nail Care Set is not your average nail care kit. It's a comprehensive solution designed to address multiple nail concerns in one go. Whether you're dealing with brittle nails, need a base coat for your manicure, or want to add shine to your nails, this set has got you covered. First up, let's talk about the hard-to-resist nail strengthener. This is where the magic happens, folks. Say goodbye to weak, peeling nails and hello to stronger, healthier nails. The formula contains nail bonding technology that instantly strengthens your nails, making them more resistant to daily wear and tear. Plus, it creates a protective barrier to prevent further damage. But wait, there's more. The Glow and Shine Nail Strengthener not only strengthens your nails but also adds a beautiful natural tint to them. It's like giving your nails a healthy glow from within. Say goodbye to dull, lifeless nails and hello to radiant, vibrant ones. Now, let's talk about the all-in-one base coat and top coat. This versatile polish does it all. Use it as a base coat to create the perfect foundation for your manicure. It helps your nail color adhere better and extends the life of your manicure. And when you're done with your color, simply apply it as a top coat to seal in your manicure, add shine, and protect your nails. So, what makes the Essie Total Nail Care Set the best nail strengthener for peeling nails? It's simple. It's a multi-purpose solution that delivers real results. Whether you're looking to strengthen your nails, add shine, or protect your manicure, this set has everything you need to achieve beautiful, healthy nails. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews and insights. Until next time, take care and keep those nails looking fabulous.